Good morning to my dear students. So students, in previous lecture we have learned about beautiful patterns, which was the last topic of our do part. In that topic we have saw various types of beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, and we have done an activity where we have stick out papers, groundnut shells, seeds, dry leaves and flowers. So this we have done in our previous lecture. Now to recap how we have done, just have a look on the video. So here is your video. I hope you have recapped what we have learned in our previous lecture. Now let's move further. In today's lecture we are going to revise all the topics that we have shown in our do part. So आज के लेक्चर में हम जितने भी टॉपिक्स हमने डू पार्ट में किए हैं वो सब हम रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. So are you ready? Very good. So let us start with all the topics that we have seen in our do part. So in the first topic, that is craft based activity, we have saw the first topic, that was simple Rakhi. So in this simple Rakhi we have prepared a simple Rakhi where we have used materials like colored chart paper, colored marble paper, ribbon, cotton, scissor and glue. Then we have followed various steps, such as we have cut the chart paper in a square shape, and then we have put a marble paper into a small square shape on that chart paper. Then we have pasted the smaller square of that marble paper on the bigger square of the chart paper. Then we have applied glue to the ribbon and we have stick that ribbon back of that Rakhi. And from this we have made a handmade Rakhi which we have decorated with our decorative materials which was available at our home. So like this we have prepared a simple Rakhi. So these all materials and these all steps we have followed to prepare a simple Rakhi. Now in second topic we have made a model out of an empty matchbox where we have used matchbox, different craft paper या organic paper, then glue and design material, decorative material, where with help of all these things we have made a train out of this matchbox where we have rolled the paper strip in a cylindrical shape. Then we have stick the end of the roll paper with the glue. Then we have stick two paper roll below each matchbox. Then we have opened the ends of the matchbox and insert it in one of another box to make a long train. The first matchbox we have placed straight as shown in the picture, you can see. Then we have covered the first matchbox with a paper strip in a circular form to make an engine. Then we have rolled a strip and paste it on the engine to make a chimney. Then we have inserted the cotton in that chimney. So we have decorated engine train with our decorative materials. So with help of all this step we have prepared our engine train. So now to revise it, just have look on the video. So here is the video. Then in third topic, we have made an ice candy where we have used a matchbox, an ice cream stick and a glue and decorative materials. So these all materials we have used to prepare an ice candy. The step that we have took are, we have take an empty matchbox, then we have pasted different color paper strip on that matchbox, means we have decorated that matchbox. After that we have put an ice cream stick on inside that matchbox, or we can put ice cream stick back of that matchbox. Then we have decorated that ice candy with various decorative materials. With help of all these things we have prepared our ice candy. So students, just have look on the video so that you can recap how we have prepared our ice candy. So here is the video. Then we have done with another topic of do part, that was skill based activity, where we have made a twister out of paper, where we have prepared a paper fan. We have used three colors paper. With three colors paper we have prepared a three strips. Then we have used a glue to stick the sticks, and we have used a stick which we have prepared with a paper. So to prepare a twister out of paper, the step we have follow are, we have take a different strips of different color, three strips of different color. Then we have fold all the three strips paper from the center, and then we have insert one strip of the paper on the other as shown in the picture. Then we have take the third strip of the paper and insert it in any of the two strip we have take before. Then we have placed all the three strips in a triangular form as shown in the picture. Then we have pulled the strips of the paper from the end and bring them folded part at the center as shown in the picture. After that we have pasted a stick below the center point of the three strip as shown in the picture, and after that our paper fan was ready. So these all things and these all steps and materials we have used to make a paper fan. So students, let us have look on the video how we have prepared a paper fan. So here is your video. a windmill with an organic paper. So here the material we have used is, we have used 2 color organic paper and a glue to stick that paper. The steps we have followed to prepare a windmill was, we have taken 2 different colors paper, then we have folded those 2 papers into a half, then we have folded the corner of those 2 paper. After that we have got a triangular shapes of that two papers, means each paper we have got 2 triangular shapes, so we have got 4 triangular shape. After that we have placed 1 triangular paper shapes in a cross side, so that we will get the shape of windmill. So like this we have prepared a windmill, and then we have stick that windmill in a combined book. So these all materials and these all steps we have done to prepare a windmill. So now just have look on the video so that you will recap how we have prepared a windmill. So here is your video. And then we have done a last topic of a do part, that was beautiful patterns, where we have used various types of beautiful patterns and we have stick down in a combined book. We have used a paper, groundnut shells, seeds, dry leaves and flowers. We have applied a glue on it and we have stick down it. So material we have used to prepare a beautiful pattern was glue, paper, groundnut shells, seeds, dry leaves and flowers. And then we have stick all these things in our EVS combined books and we have prepared our beautiful patterns. So to recap it, just have look on the video. So here is the video. So I hope in today's lecture we have all revised all the topics of our do part. So in this lecture we have just have done revision of all the topics of our do part. So I hope you have understood all the topics again by watching these videos of today's lecture. So students, in this lecture there will be no homework. You just have to go through these videos so that you will get how we have done all those activities. So I hope you have understood today's lecture. So student, thank you.